Let's learn how you can change Steam password. Now, the quickest way is to open the browser and go to steampowered.com website and just head over to help I can't sign in. Then you will see these few options. You need to click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. Then you just need to enter your email address. Now you need to search and of course apply chapter. Now it will search for your account and you will need to email your account here. They will send you a message. You'll just have to press one button to resume the recovery and it will swap to your phone. Now you just need to click on reset my password and just enter the new password. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next. I will send a screenshot so for you to be easier. So that's it.